lot of you already have
Frederick
them.
Osbo.
A lot of you Floridians are used to utilizing umbrellas, but just be
Cyan
mindful of your
TC on
neighbors.
S13.
Here we go. Van Kirk, Frederick Osbo, the second. I told you, Van Kirk, not a pushover by any means. Well done by Van Kirk. And we got a clean start. But it has to back up. And look at die right in the crease, in the full, licking the envelope, sign sealed below. Take a look here because you saw Ford get into the wall. That could have affected the car's performance. Then you have to see the contact there from James Dean. Ryan, we're gonna see.
Guys, this is Josh. Josh drinks beer.
Yeah, brother.
So Josh, what's going on right now? They just finished top 16 and top 8, right?
Yeah.
Nice, so we're moving up to top 4, and then there'll be top 2, and then winner.
Champion.
And then we're going to the after party.
Absolutely.
Going to the after party? You gotta go to the after party.
It's at Matt Field's trailer.
Is it Matt Field's trailer? Alright, remember guys, Matt Field's trailer. By the time you see this, the event will be over, but you know what I mean.
the final four, but who goes in the final four?
Kelsey Rawlings, the really short hair. Say hi. Hey, Laura. All right, guys, they just finished top four. We're gonna get the top two now, so it's gonna be James Dean on Chris Forsberg. And so they're just setting up right now, and then after that, we'll go into the after party. All right, boys and girls, there you go. That's the end of the event. Looks like Chris Forsberg won. On the final run, James Dean looks like he had a crash and went into the wall. So that's actually Chris Forsberg's first win since 2014, April 2014. So, all right, so I'm going over to the winner's circle right now, and I'm going to watch the award ceremony, and then party time. There's Chris Forsberg and Frederick Oswald.
So close. Yeah. Forsberg's walking on the moon in that thing.
Check these guys out though. Look at this guy. What's your name?
That's Piero right there?
This is Piero?
Yep.
What's your name? Hey. Hey. He's not paying attention. You, what's your name?
Me?
What's your
Victor.
name? Huh?
Victor.
Victor?
Yeah.
This is Victor? This is
Piero.
Piero?
Abram.
You had the number one qualifying 99. You're coming off the momentum. The Corolla's looking great. Freshman season for that vehicle. What went wrong?
Dude, I ran out of talent. It wasn't, what Chris fed me. I'm still a little blacked out after a drink, but it was totally my fault. We had a great car. We had a great qualifying session yesterday that we're really stoked on because we've been working really hard to try and qualify better. And it all kind of fell apart a little bit today, but I mean, third place, this is what drifters die for, So this has been a great event. Thanks to the team, all you guys for coming out here. There you go, Frederick Osborne. Third place.
Now, second place. Again, a repeat customer, the Wardhouse Drift Team, but it's a different driver. He's still just as tall. He's not the Candyman this time. It is the Machine in the Wardhouse Drift Team Falcon Tires S15. Second place here in Orlando, James the Machine D. There you go. Let me check this thing. I was letting you get up there and then, go give me this thing. You're like, all right, get up there, kiddo. I can call you kiddo even though you're taller than me now. But James, again, it seemed like you and Osbo, it seemed like your guys' event. I mean, to be quite honest, I don't know what happened at Forsberg. You just hit a switch and just turned it on. Like you said, what happened there? But it seemed like the event was yours as well. And the Wardhouse Drift Team is firing on all cylinders. Why is it coming together so well for both you and Peter Vincent?
What I love about the Wardhouse Drift Team is it's just like having fun with friends. We're really lucky to have such a great team behind us, and I really enjoy every minute, at these FD events. There should be, there is a lot of pressure, but I just enjoy every second of it. Super happy this weekend, qualifying second, Asbo the killer one, and it's great to see Chris get that car worked out. I think it was his weekend. He deserved it. He worked super hard for the last, few months, and it's great to see him on top of the podium. Well deserved.
Round of applause for James the Machine Dean. And last but definitely not least, again, it bears repeating, hasn't had a win in 4 years, 2014, and 8 finals. Hey, dude, I'm going to beat that thing till it goes down. Because it's not always that I get to say the famous thing that people always think I always say, because it's not always true. And last but not least, your winner here at Orlando, round 2 of the Formula Jet Black Magic Pro Championship in the NOS Energy 370Z on Nexen Tires, Chris Forsberg! Here's your trophy, buddy. Get on up there. All right, let's get the photo real quick. Look at Larry. Look at Larry. Look at the baby. Look at the baby. Judging, watching. Here we go. Yeah. He said, "I love you, dog." I think he said, "I love you, dog." Oh, he said Dean got robbed. Sorry. Forsberg, man, here it is. Yeah. The wall gets the win. Forsberg, it comes together for you. I know you and your team worked hard. Again, all these teams. I mean, you know, Vaughn was here late. He ended up going drag racing, but they all worked on different things. You guys were here late. Again, not, you know, your engine plan is developing this year, coming together for you. I know you really wanted and needed this win.
Yeah, thanks. This win means a lot to me and the whole team who have worked so long and so hard on this program. And yeah, it's been a minute since I've been standing in the center here, but you know, we've been consistent, we've been good, and we did a big change last year, and you know, I really wanted to change up our engine program and get, you know, the Z motor back in the Z, and you know, we worked real hard on it coming into this weekend, trying to make a couple changes, and you know, sometimes it's you know, you got to look back and just make a decision, and we pulled the motor, we put the Long Beach setup back in it, and we've just been firing all cylinders all day today, and it just felt great, and I just really got to thank my team for, you know, working with me all night long. We're out here till 12:30 at night. Even Vaughn was here till about 11:30. We're toe-to-toe, we're going together in the morning. We just knew we had to bring our A game, and you know, to see, you know, the dedication from, you know, not just my team, but the other teams out here supporting us drivers, and you know, to just put on a show for you guys. We just love what we do, and we just want to smoke tires and have a good time, and thank you all for coming out.
The last question is, you debuted the all-white suit. Are you going to change suits? Because that's just your backup suit. Are you going to keep the white suit, or are you going to rock the new suit?
Yeah, I don't know. I wanted to rock this for Florida, right? The white suit felt right for Florida, but yeah, it's a little dirty. We'll see if it cleans up, and maybe we'll bring it back out in Atlanta.
All right, there it is, your 1, 2, and 3. Forsberg, James Dean, and Frederick Osborne. Here, hold on, selfie real quick.